Okay guys, I'm going to work one of these to get you started. As seniors, you should already know how to solve equations, but I know it's probably been a while, so I'm going to refresh your memory. I'm going to work number 20 for you because it's probably one of the most difficult ones on the page. Okay, first thing we have to do is parentheses, and there's nothing you can do in the parentheses, so you have to distribute the 8. Now, do you see that negative in front of the 8? Or a minus sign, which is the same thing. You have to distribute negative 8 to everything inside the parentheses. Okay, so you just bring down the negative 5 in because you can't do anything with it yet because you have to do the multiplication first. Negative 8 times 1 is negative 8, so that's why you put a minus 8. And then negative 8 times 7n is negative 56n, so that's why you put negative 56n equals negative 8. Now, to simplify, you have to combine like terms. Well, your like terms are negative 5n and negative 56n. Okay, so when you combine these, you're always adding when you combine like terms, but you keep the sign in front so you know what you're adding. So you're adding together negative 5n plus negative 56n, which will give you negative 61n. Negative 61n minus 8 equals negative 8. Okay, now it's just a two-step equation. So we're going to add 8, because you do the opposite when you go across the equals. Negative 61n equals 0, because negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Your last step is divide by negative 61, and you're going to get 0, because 0 divided by anything is 0. Okay, I hope this helps you finish the rest of the page for your bell work.